Thanks for tuning in to another video. Here we have my Motovlog setup. This is the Bitwell lane splitter helmet, and I'm using a GoPro Hero 8 with, I don't know where I got this mount from, but this is an aftermarket mount. Maybe be a motorcycle, but this was about, I don't know, about $10. So, and then if we turn it over this way, this is the GoPro mic adapter. So, and we also have a Lunazi case here, so we could, because on the GoPros 8 you can't access the USB-C connector with their own GoPro lid or door, whatever you want to call this thing. Now this is connected to a Sony microphone right in here, wraps around the helmet on the inside of the helmet just so I could tuck in all those wires, and that runs in right here, so you can see that right in there. That's the mic. So I had the purple Panda, but that one was DOA, dead on arrival. Didn't work. So this one was, I was using this mic on my old helmet, and the way I had that set up, I'll show you in a bit, was I had an external mic recorder. Alright, so what I went ahead and did was to kind of even out the weight of the Motovlog setup. I went ahead and I installed the mic adapter on the right side of the helmet, and I installed the mount on the right side. So this kind of helps with the weight of the setup to kind of keep it all balanced, kinda, because from having the mic over here or on the other side, it tends to kind of droop on one side, and if you're riding the bike without a windshield, that gets hit by the wind and it moves the helmet. So that's why I have this set up the way it is here, to kind of balance out the weight, and this all works perfectly. Having the mic adapter, that's $50-$60, and then the new GoPro Hero 8. It's a good setup, and the lane splitter helmet looks good. I mean, there's also the Simpson one, the Bandit. That one's also a good looking helmet. So noise wise, I mean, there's these vents on the inside, but you don't really hear them. It doesn't really get picked up. So this is my Motovlog setup, and then when I'm just riding and I need the GoPro, I have this other one, and this is also a Bitwell helmet. This one I believe is the Gringo S, and the S stands for Shield. Yes, this is the Bitwell S because it has a shield. So, and then this is the GoPro mount that I'm using. Also in the middle, this actually fits. This centers the lens on the GoPro in the middle, because it sits a little bit over to the left, and the lens sits a little bit to the right of the center port of the mounting point. So that's probably something that you also want to look into, probably lining up the lens with the bike. And both helmets have, I guess, what do you call this, a gold reflective finish. Both of them are good helmets. This one I believe was like 100 and change. Got it on sale because it's actually a silver helmet. This is just plastic dipped black. This one I got on sale from a local shop closing down. Got it for about, I'd say maybe $150. This is normally a $200-$300 helmet, so good deal on that. And this is my Motovlog setup. So you don't really need a how-to on this, just figure out where it's gonna sit and just make sure you have that centered, and then you can mount or finish gluing the mount for the GoPro. And then just make sure you have enough slack right here to kind of connect your mic adapter. And you know, there's also builds. There's, you know, if you wanted to, you could instead of using this double-sided tape, you could use a Velcro attachment there, so you could take this off and then put it onto another helmet or whatever. But this is my Moto Vlog helmet, and if I need to, I could buy another one and make another helmet. I actually have 2 more helmets apart from these, but it just stay on point and talk about the setup that I have here. Alright, you guys have any comments, questions, anything about motovlogging, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good day. Later.